new rapid test for diagnosis of viral respiratory infection is evaluated in 200 study participants. At a given cutoff, the test shows a true negative rate of approximately 70% and a true positive rate of approximately 65%. Which of the following labeled graphs is most likely to represent the diagnostic tests? Here comes up this particular question. We have a true positive rate of 65% and a true negative rate of 70%. So basically it is option B, which is this graph. So what does it say? The graph representing a diagnostic type of sensitivity and specificity between 50% and 100% corresponding to the described diagnostic test and an area under the curve greater than 0.5. A test with an AUC greater than 0.5 is a diagnostic value because it can differentiate between the individuals with and without the disease with better accuracy than a test in which the test result is randomly determined with a 50% chance for each outcome. The higher the AUC, the more accurate the test.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.